In this video, we'll show you how to add your business to Google Maps step by step so your customers can find it easily. To get started, the first thing we need to do is open Google Maps on our computer and sign in with the Google account we want to use to manage the business. Once we're inside, we'll search for the name of our business to check whether it already appears on Google Maps. If we don't find a profile that matches our business, we can add it by selecting the option to add a place or business. Next, we'll need to enter the basic information about the business. Here, we should enter the name, choose the category that best represents our business, and add the exact address or location of the establishment. We can also add other important details, such as the phone number, website, opening hours, and different contact options. After that, we can upload photos of the business, including the interior, exterior, products, or services we offer. Once all the information has been entered, Google may ask us to verify the business to confirm that we are the owner or that we have permission to manage it. After Google verifies the information, our business can appear on Google Maps and in Google search results. It's also important to check the information regularly and make sure everything is accurate, especially the opening hours and address, so customers don't receive incorrect information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.